Good morning, folks, and welcome to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, here to guide you through the financial highlights of the week. With the markets closed for Good Friday, we've got a lot packed into the shortened week, so let's get rolling. This Thursday, the spotlight's on the U.S. with the Core Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index for February. After a noticeable jump last month, all eyes are on whether this Fed-favored inflation gauge keeps climbing. With the Fed's recent meeting hinting at patience before any rate cuts, these figures could be a make-or-break moment for those projections. And speaking of the Fed, it's going to be a busy week. Jerome Powell and a lineup of Fed officials are on the agenda, fresh off last week's dovish tilt from Powell. But with Macquarie analysts expecting a hawkish lean in the coming weeks, it's prime time to read between the lines for any shifts in tone about the future path of interest rates. Over on Wall Street, the Standard & Poor's 500 is coming off its best week since mid-December. With the first quarter wrapping up, the market's breadth has some thinking we could keep riding this wave. Yet, with recent gains, others are whispering about a potential pullback. As portfolio managers make their end-of-quarter adjustments, volatility could be the name of the game. In the oil markets, we saw prices dip slightly on Friday, ending the week on a flat note. Between ceasefire hopes in Gaza and a beefier US dollar, oil's been on a seesaw. But with the Fed's latest comments sparking optimism, there's talk of keeping those price highs in play. Globally, inflation's still a hot topic. Down under, the Reserve Bank of Australia's got its eyes peeled for Wednesday's inflation figures, potentially influencing their next moves on interest rates. And over in Japan, Tokyo's inflation data on Friday might not stir as much excitement, especially after the Bank of Japan's landmark rate hike last week. So there you have it, a week filled with critical economic data, Fed insights, market movements, and global inflation updates. Whether you're a trader, investor, or just a finance enthusiast, there's plenty to watch out for. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, wishing you a week full of insightful market moves and smart investment decisions. Stay tuned, stay informed, and see you tomorrow for more updates from the world of finance. Cheerio!